This is a U55-4. It's got brand new rubber tracks on it. You just put them on. It's got your 4-way hydraulic blade with your bolt-on cutting edge. We painted the blue on the bottom. Looks like everything else is all original, orange and all. It's low hours, if I'm not mistaken, 20-some hundred. It's got a brand new 18-inch bucket. It's got a pin-on hydraulic new thumb. The dealer put the thumb and the bucket on. It does have auxiliary hydraulics with a splitter valve. Open drops, of course. She feels pretty straight on it. Very straight. Okay, Drake. Go ahead and open up the. I will. Yep. Hang on 1 second, Jake. Got yours very clean, very straight.